Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today we have an exciting update on the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6 with new specs and a potential release date. DJI continues to innovate in the action camera space, and after the success of the Osmo Action 5 Pro, it seems that the company is gearing up for another major release. Let's dive into what we know so far. In recent weeks, regulatory filings have hinted at the imminent arrival of the DJI Osmo Action 6. The most significant clue comes from a filing at the Federal Communications Commission in the US, which mentions a product called the DJI Osmo Action 6. Notably, this version omits the Pro label seen on the last model, suggesting that DJI could be introducing a more budget-friendly or standard variant. If you're familiar with the tech world, you know that such FCC filings often precede an official product launch, so this news has generated a lot of buzz. Additionally, filings from Switzerland's regulatory authority SGS point toward an international release, with some speculating that we could see the Osmo Action 6 launch globally as early as 2025. While the filings don't provide detailed specs, they do reveal some interesting information about connectivity and battery options. For instance, the Osmo Action 6 will likely support Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, ensuring smooth wireless transfers and seamless compatibility with mobile apps and accessories. What's even more intriguing is the mention of two possible battery capacities, 1770 mAh and 1950 mAh. This suggests that DJI might release two versions of the camera, a standard version with the smaller battery and a premium version with the larger capacity. The Osmo Action 5 Pro uses the larger 1950 mAh battery, so it's possible the higher capacity option in the new model could be reserved for the premium variant, offering extended recording times and enhanced performance. If DJI follows through with this dual variant approach, we could see one model focused on affordability and ease of use, ideal for casual users, while the Pro version would cater to content creators and professionals with features like advanced stabilization, higher resolutions, and longer battery life. This approach would give DJI an edge in both the consumer and professional markets. Battery life is a critical factor in the action camera world, especially for long adventures or time-lapse footage. With the Osmo Action 6 potentially offering two versions, users can choose the one that best suits their needs, whether they're looking for something lightweight and portable or something more robust for serious filming. Enhanced low-light performance, improved stabilization, and support for higher video resolutions would certainly make the Osmo Action 6 a top contender in the market. Speaking of performance, one of the most significant areas for improvement with the Osmo Action 5 Pro was its low-light capabilities. Many users pointed out the need for better performance in challenging lighting conditions, such as underwater or in dimly lit environments. The Osmo Action 6 could address these concerns by offering improved sensors and better image processing, making it more reliable in various filming situations. Higher video resolutions, faster frame rates, and a more stable shooting experience would also make this camera more appealing to professional videographers and content creators. As we continue to compare it to competitors like the GoPro Hero series, DJI's Osmo Action cameras have earned praise for their compact design and versatility. However, the action camera market remains fiercely competitive, and any improvements that the Osmo Action 6 brings to the table will be crucial to keeping DJI at the forefront of this space. In addition to the improvements in video quality and stabilization, DJI might also be working on smarter features. With AI-powered enhancements, automatic scene detection, and improved mobile app integration, the Osmo Action 6 could offer a more user-friendly experience, especially for those new to action cameras. Imagine a camera that can make real-time adjustments to exposure and settings, automatically optimizing your shot with minimal effort. This would be a huge step forward in making high-quality action cameras more accessible to a wider audience. But it's not just the Osmo Action lineup that's getting attention. There are also rumors that DJI is eyeing new opportunities in the mirrorless camera market, potentially partnering with Huawei to create something revolutionary. While still in the rumor stage, this collaboration could lead to a new breed of mirrorless cameras that combine DJI's expertise in imaging and stabilization with Huawei's strengths in computational photography. If these rumors turn out to be true, it could disrupt the market and challenge established players like Sony and Canon. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be a game-changer, with improvements that will appeal to both casual users and professional content creators. With a potential release in early 2025, DJI is once again showing its commitment to pushing the boundaries of action cameras, offering more options, better performance, and smarter features than ever before. Keep an eye on this exciting development, as it could mark the beginning of a new era for action cams.